Welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. All right, guys, let's go right to the video now. Hey there, everyone. So in this video, I just want to show you really quickly how to get your Samsung Galaxy S9 into safe mode and out of safe mode. So it's very simple, but maybe you got yourself into safe mode and you're having trouble getting out, or you need to get into safe mode to work on your phone, delete some apps, and get your phone running smoothly again. So let's go ahead and do this. All we got to do to get into safe mode first is hold the power button, like if you're going to power your phone off, and press and hold power off. So once you do that, it's going to give you this option right here, which is safe mode, obviously. And we're just going to select it, and the phone will reboot into safe mode. So as we can see, the phone has rebooted and it is now in safe mode. So now you can go ahead and do whatever it is you need to do to your phone and start using it normally again. So once you're ready to get out of safe mode, it's very simple as well. All you have to do is press and hold the power off button, and you're going to select the middle option, which is restart. So just restart the phone, give it a couple seconds, and it should reboot normally and out of safe mode. So as we can see, the phone rebooted and it is no longer in safe mode, as it doesn't say safe mode. As it doesn't say safe mode down here anymore. Alright, so that was just a quick video on how to get your Samsung Galaxy S9 in and out of safe mode. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And as always, I will see you around in the next video. Peace. Ciao!